November 26, 2015. Do you believe in destiny? Okay, simugot. Ito, yun. Do you believe in dreams coming true? Sa tamang panahon? I'd like to share with you a love story. The story of Julius and Tintin. Araw-araw kami magkasama doon sa TV, just like you. Nakita ng mga viewers ang chemistry namin dalawa, just like you. Nagsimula sa tuksuhan, nauwi sa totohanan. Neng and RJ, I'm a hopeless romantic. Grabe. I love seeing a boy and a girl being paired together. I get so kilig, and I only wish that they end up together in real life. Just like me and Julius, happily married for 12 years now. I've seen so many love teams in my career, but yours is different. It's not only phenomenal, it's magical. You have such undeniable chemistry that there seems to be a very thin line between what we watch on TV and what is beneath your actions, your gestures of caring for each other, and in your heart. How we all wish na sana lahat na nakikita namin sa Kalye serye ay hindi lang pang TV, kundi yung totohanan mo. You know why the whole world is rooting and pining for the two of you to really end up together? It's because when you look at all the signs, the universe conspired for you to be together. 5 years ago at first sa event, and then again this year. And 5 months na rin pala ang love team ninyo. Last year to, ha? Happy anniversary! And then, you prayed so hard for this moment to come. How great is our God? So great. Amen. So great that He answered all your prayers. Grabe siya, no? Grabe si Lord. Sa sobrang bait, He answered both of your prayers. And God didn't just answer your prayers with a long overdue recognition.